Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, today is wash day again. I feel like wash days are coming around so fast these days. We're on our penultimate wash day of the year, although I think that this will probably be the last wash day video that I post on the year, but I'm going to obviously wash my hair again next month. In today's video, I am trying out a new product. To me, obviously guys, I'm so behind on every single product, so everything is always new to me. I'm trying out the Aunt Jackie's In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. My battery is dying and I have another video to film after this, so without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. Okie dokes. So guys, oh gosh, it's so cold today. Anyway guys, happy Saturday. I think it's been a little while since I've had my hair out for you guys, but as you can probably tell, today is wash day, as I've already said in my introduction, and today we are trying out a new deep conditioner. I'm going to be using the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. You can use this three ways. You can use this as a, so you can use this as a co-wash, you can use this as a conditioning treatment, and you can use this as like a deep conditioner that you keep on your hair for a long time. Obviously for me, we're going to deep condition because that's what we're about. I haven't yet taken my hair out. My hair is still in my plaits. It's feeling a bit thick. I think it's been a long time. Not a long time. It's been like 2 wash days, I think, since I showed you my actual hair length. But we're going to talk through this conditioner while I take out my hair. And then as like a bonus thing, I'm also going to be shampooing my hair today with the Born Beautiful Naturals Moisture Silk Sulfate-Free Shampoo. If you watched my last hair wash day video, then you will know all about this shampoo. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's so good. And you guys know that I don't even shampoo my hair like that. But anyway, let me just proceed to take out my hair. It's a bit knotted. Again, it's been, I would say, like 3 weeks since I last washed my hair. So I washed my hair last, let's have a look. So I last washed my hair on the 7th of November and today's the 28th of November. So it has been 3 weeks. You could say a month to 3 weeks. And you know, I'm actually quite enjoying wearing my hair for 3 weeks before I wash it. I don't know, it's just made me kind of feel less stressed and less like I have to be on a schedule. It just feels a lot more freeing. But anyway guys, I'm just gonna take out the hair. Cool beans. So on to the conditioner. Oh wow guys, look at the hair. Hair's going out quite nicely, isn't it? Okay, so I have the Aunt Jackie's website up. So while I take out my hair, I'm just going to read out some stuff to move us along. So like I said, this is the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. And this has 4 out of 5 stars, which is always promising. And they say, tame, nourish, and deep condition frizzy, hard to manage, dehydrated, brittle, natural curls, coils and waves with natural extracts and proteins, gentle humectants, moisturize and hydrate. My hair is naturally dry. I think if you have afro hair, then your hair is naturally dry, so it's important to make sure that you're always like moisturizing it and deep conditioning it and stuff. So deep conditioners that promise to be really hydrating, those are the conditioners that I always look for. Also washing my hair like once a month, like I need a really indulgent deep hydrating conditioning treatment that's gonna just help my hair. Then they say, what will this do to my hair? And they write, it's an excellent restorative treatment for any type or texture, including natural, coloured, relaxed and texturized hair. Gentle enough to be used daily after shampooing. Enhanced with shea butter, extra virgin oil and keratin to promote softness, strength, shine and pliability. Ooh, we love that. I think things like this, it's probably best to use it more often than not, but obviously that's just not my portion. Wow, my hair is really like tangled today. That is all the information that they have on the actual Aunt Jackie's website, but I have another website open. I've got blackhaircare.co.uk open, and I'm just going to see if they say anything different or anything more. No, they literally just say exactly the same, but they do say that this is eco-friendly, sulfate-free, paraben-free. This has no mineral oils, no petroleum, and it's an anti-poof formula. So if your hair gets really like poofy and frizzy and stuff, then this can be a great thing, I imagine, to just help tame it and all of that good stuff. So now guys, I'm just gonna finish quickly taking out my hair and then I'm gonna shampoo and wash my hair. If you want to see me shampooing my hair, then you can check out my previous video, and then when I get back we're gonna get into actually putting this onto my hair. Hi guys, we're back. I have just washed my hair. I shampooed my hair using the Born Beautiful Naturals Moisture Silk sulfate free shampoo. Guys, this is so good. My hair feels so soft, so springy, so spongy. It doesn't feel stripped. It doesn't have that squeaky feeling that shampoos tend to give. I also whacked my ear, so my earring could pop out again, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. Yeah, so I think I just want to wait a bit for my hair to dry in this t-shirt a bit, just let the t-shirt absorb some more water before I go in with the conditioner. But guys, if you're looking for a shampoo, something that's going to be gentle on the hair, then I honestly could not recommend this shampoo enough. I think actually if you're natural, you've got curly, coily, kinky hair, and you're looking for a new brand to try, I cannot recommend Born Beautiful Naturals enough. Everything I've tried so far has been really great. I've tried the shampoo, I've tried a deep conditioner, I've even tried a lip balm. Everything is so good. So I've been stalking their website over the last couple of weeks to see what I want to buy next from them, because they did not disappoint at all. So I kind of feel like my hair is dry enough. Like, it's probably not dry at all, but times are wasting. Like, it is already 20 past 11. Like, I've got things to do today. Okay, so let's get into the deep conditioner. Also, guys, this deep conditioner is blue, and it actually reminds me of my Blue Magic tea tree oil deep conditioner, because that is also like a bluey green color. Interesting smell. This doesn't smell as nice as the... what other things did I use? This doesn't smell as nice as the other Aunt Jackie's products that I've used, but I'll give it a pass. It still smells okay, I guess. Like I say, this has shea butter and olive oil in it. Basically just things that are going to help keep your hair hydrated and all the rest of that. So yeah, let's just get straight into using it. I'm going to take off my t-shirt. It's funny because I'm such a lazy girl. Like, wash day for me should really just be deep conditioner and then rinse it out. But the shampoo was so worth it. So this is the hair. Yeah, the hair feels like the hair's not dripping. And I feel like as long as the hair's not dripping, then that is like the most important thing. Don't we look like a mess? Anyway, okay guys, so as always, I'm going to section off my hair into quarters. I think my hair is growing so thick that soon I won't be able to section my hair into quarters. I'll have to section it into like sixths. So we've got our 2/4 going on. Cool beans. Okay gang, let's go in. I'm quite excited about this. Okay gang, this actually smells really nice when it's like properly in the hair. Like, it's really rich. It's quite lightweight actually. Like, it's really nice. It kind of reminds me of like blueberries. Maybe it's the colour though. So that's the first one done. Let me just wipe that. I think I put on way too much, which is not something that I can actually usually say. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest. Just got one more portion left to do. Guys, this stuff actually smells like tea tree. It smells so good. And I'm just smothering it because it's been a long time since I've been able to just like smother stuff in my hair. So I'm really going to town with this. Also guys, it's so cold these days. And even though I'm wearing a wig for most of the week, I feel like my hair is affected by the cold. Okay gang, so hair is done. I don't even think I need to put on any more. Usually I have to put on more hair product, but my hair is so coated. It's so like every last strand feels like it's drenched in this stuff. Guys, oh, this smells a bit strong. But guys, as first impressions go, I quite like this. It feels it's very creamy. It feels quite lightweight. It's not as thick as you would expect from something that claims to be restorative and really hydrating. It does feel quite lightweight. It reminds me of those really thin body lotions that don't moisturize at all. So I will have to see how well it does in terms of really hydrating my hair. That said, because I did wash my hair beforehand, I'm also, I don't know, because normally when I wash my hair before I put in deep conditioner, I don't feel like my hair is as conditioned as it is compared to when I just put deep conditioner straight onto my dry hair. So I'll have to see again how my hair feels. But I quite like this so far. It smells nice. Like I said, it's quite lightweight. The smell is quite strong. Well, the smell smells only strong because it's been underneath my nose for the past 10 minutes and I've been really like inhaling the fumes. So definitely be wary on the smell. This does have a fragrance in it. To me, this reminds me of the Blue Magic tea tree oil leave-in conditioner. So if you've smelt that, then you know that this smells similar to that. If you haven't smelt that, this smells like tea tree oil and a bit of like perfumey, like plastic perfume kind of smell. You kind of know the smell that I mean. So that's what this smells like. It also has like a mild kind of like blueberry kind of smell in there. I don't know what they've put in here, but that's what it smells like. So we'll have to see what this is like after I've rinsed it out and all that good stuff to know how my hair feels. But I do love that there is a lot in here. So if you have thick hair like me, this will do a good job at coating every single strand. As you saw when I was like opening up the partitions in my hair, it was all like white inside, which is how I know that this has like really gone through all of the strands. So that's good. This is, how much is this? So this is 426 grams in this tub here. So you've got a lot. I think this will probably do me for like 2 wash days, just because, you know, my hair is really thick and I really like to coat my hair in hair product because I'm only washing my hair once a month. It's dry, it's the winter now, so I really want to do a good job of keeping my hair hydrated, conditioned, and really taken care of while I wash it. They say to leave this on for 10 minutes under plastic cap. I'm going to leave this on, what is the time? So it's currently 11:36, so I think I'm going to leave this on for about an hour. I'm going to see if I can do some things in the meantime and then just leave it on for as long as I can because I put so much on my hair that I just want it to work overtime, I guess. So I'm going to leave this on for about an hour. Then when I come back, I'm going to talk about what it was like rinsing it out and all of that good stuff. So I will see you in about an hour, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. Hi guys, I'm back. So as you can see, I have rinsed out my hair. I didn't film it because I was having a shower at the same time. I was like, let me kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So I'm ready dressed. I haven't done my face yet because I'm filming it after this video. But anyway guys, so final thoughts on this deep conditioner. I liked it. It was okay. I kind of feel like it was just okay. It wasn't like, oh my god, this is so great, like this is super amazing. It's one of those things where it's like I probably won't buy it again, not because I didn't like it, but just because there are so many hair products out there that I feel like unless something really wows me and blows me away, there's no point in rebuying it unless that's the only thing in the shop, if that makes sense. But I think it's okay. My hair felt so soft, so like fluffy, although I think that was more to do with the shampoo than it was actually to do with the deep conditioner. But honestly, it was just okay. I think I preferred, I don't know what it's called, but there was another one that I used. It was purple. Let me just have a quick look. So they have another one, which is their Rescued Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. I prefer that deep conditioner to this deep conditioner because that one just was more like impactful. However, that texture was more balmy and this one is more liquidy. So if you prefer like a liquid, loose kind of wet conditioner, then this is a conditioner that you should definitely try. But if you prefer more of like a balmy conditioner that's really thick and you can really feel that it's like packed with nutrients and nourishment, all that good stuff, then I would try out their Thirst Quenching Deep Conditioner instead, just because that one packs a bit more punch. I think time will tell if this does a good job of really keeping my hair, what's the word, like hydrated and all of that stuff. So I won't really know that until like later on in the week. But it was okay. Nothing, like I'm not mad at it. Like I said again, I probably won't buy it. Also, I forgot to say in the video that I got this for $4.79, but I've seen this selling online for like $9.99 in Superdrug. You can get this for different prices. But guys, I would definitely say if you want to try this out, I would probably look on, I think there's Murphy Hair Beauty, I think, any like local hair shops. Don't go to Superdrug and buy this for £10 when you can literally get this for £5. That's all I'm gonna say. Save you some money, save you guys £5 and just get this from the website. You can even get this from blackhaircare.co.uk. I saw this on there and this was only like £6 or something on there. So there are other places to get this from. Do not buy this stuff from Superdrug, please. You're just spending way too much money on it. But yeah guys, that is all from me today, wash day. I hope you liked this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and in the meantime I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.